on my way home after a long day at work. It's beautiful outside, so I'm actually really excited about being out of work. Not the only reason, honestly. Working with other people's teenagers, shockingly, gets a little exhausting at times, but regardless. So I was talking with my good friend Pamela this morning about, she's trying to coach me through my eating stuff. Like I realize that I control so many things in my life, and I'm so disciplined in so many areas of my life that I let my diet kind of take a back seat of importance. It's like I'm gentle with myself because I've got to be gentle somewhere. So it's like, oh, I don't want to take that on, so I let it go. But even so, it's a very controlling part of everything in my life is pretty controlled because I'm so busy, because I'm a single mom, because blah, 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 right? All the stuff, all the things. So she suggested, and I thought it was brilliant, and it's funny how a lot of times we can see in other people what we can't see in ourselves. And she said, it sounds like you're judging the way you eat a lot. And I'm putting a lot of judgment, a lot of weight, and a lot of thought on that as opposed to just feeling. And now I've heard this said to me 15 times, in different ways, like you should eat what feels right or what feels good or whatever. And I even said that myself. I was like, I'm going to write down what I eat and how it makes me feel afterwards. Does it make me feel guilty? Does it make me feel bloated? Does it make me feel whatever? And she's like, stop with the judgment of your food. She's like, be grateful for that which nourishes you and makes you feel strong and what makes you feel good and healthy. And that way it's looking at things positively. It's looking through positively rather than with that filter of judgment in it. And it's kind of an interesting idea. I was and I kept myself so busy today that I didn't even think about it. But I also thought of like making, I've been including my inner child in a lot of things I've been doing lately that may not always be fun. Like, when I have to do laundry, blasting the tunes and dancing while I fold laundry. Sorry, there's a school bus next to me. Blasting tunes, making it more fun, right? So now with cooking and such, the kids and I made a menu yesterday. I went shopping and I bought all the stuff we needed it. And my Rio helped me make these little like quiche egg cups, muffins. And we had them this morning. They were delicious. And then we had made lasagna. And so he helped me, and it was really fun. And we had music on. And so I'm going to do that again tonight. I'm going to ask Colin which of his choices he wants to make, and so that it's letting the inner child come out too. So gives him power. So it's good for his divine masculine. It gives me the playtime, so it's good for my inner child. And it's going to be better because I can appreciate my food. I can say thank you for the nourishment. It's like a win-win-win-win-win, right? So I look forward to trying this approach, and I definitely look forward to stop being judgmental of myself in the way I'm eating or not eating. Excuse me, I had the hiccups now too. So I'll let you know how that goes. But yeah, there's no need for me to judge myself. It's not really helping, and it just got me in a cranky place, and it makes me want to eat more of the wrong because even that's judgmental, but more of the things that make me not feel good because it's that control. So I'm going to try it, let you know how it goes. And I actually am excited about the idea of cooking tonight, and I'm keeping myself less busy. Sports are over. So it's just going to be about taking good care of ourselves. So I'll check in with you guys tomorrow and let you know how it goes. All right, good night.